Hey guys, just wanted to show you a little bit about our system and how it works. These here are fish tanks. Kind of get a shot of the fish tanks. These are 1,200 gallon tanks that we put together. We got a few thousand catfish in here that fertilizes our plants. But it's feeding time. We're gonna feed the fish. Just get a shot of it. Anyways, we feed them twice a day, 30% protein pelleted, just a typical catfish pellet. And so anyways, then we'll take a walk outside. I'll show you our filter tanks. This is an empty fish tank that we're going to be breeding some tilapia in. Get a shot of the inside. It's just waiting for tilapia. As soon as we can get all set up for that. But this is our greenhouse here. These are our filter tanks. We've got a lot of catfish in there now, so it produces a lot of manure. So these are clarifiers, and it separates probably 50% of the manure out. Get a shot of this one. See that gooky stuff? That gooky stuff is fish poop. I just cleaned them out yesterday, so they're not too dirty. So anyways, these are the clarifiers. These two are the filter tanks, and then we've got a degassing tank as well that we use. And the water circulates through the grow beds, goes back to the fish tanks, and cleans the water for the fish. And this is these are our grow beds. In our greenhouse here, the way it works is the water comes into here, flows all the way down through the roots of the plants, all the way to the end. These beds are 100 feet long. The whole greenhouse holds about 5,000 plants, a little over 5,000. Goes all the way to the end, crosses over, comes all the way back down this bed, comes out here, goes underground to the sump tank. And then from the sump tank, it goes back to the fish tanks. And then we've got the same, we got a duplicate system on that side too. So these three tanks handle this grow bed. The other three tanks handle that grow bed. So we got it split in half, just in case of disease or some kind of pest or whatever. We don't have the whole system infected. But come on down, we'll show you some plants that we got grown. Different kind of bib lettuce, some red leaf. This is an eggplant. Oh, we got a caterpillar. Eggplant. Look at big old caterpillar here. The ants will probably get it. Anyways, so we got basil. Cucumber plants do pretty good. We're getting cucumbers now on them, but we're going to be pulling all this out. And this greenhouse is going to be exclusively for lettuce and herbs, but we were just experimenting, But the basil does really well. There's another pest right there. Tomatoes do really good. All this is going to be pulled out though, just again experimenting. And come on down here, honey. Red leaf. We've got cilantro, parsley. Onions. The basil does exceptionally well. This is some amaranth that we just are experimenting with. We got some dill, scallions. We got bok choy there with some red leaf here. And then Tommy's got to come and fix this stuff. But anyways, come here and let's show them how this here is our seed bed. We put our seed here. It's a flood and drain. The pumps pump water up into here, and then it drains back into the tanks maybe 5-6 times a day just to water our seed, and then it goes from here into the grow beds. And you can see the bib does really well. The way it works is we sow our plants here, and then we harvest down at the far end. And then out here we've got another seed bed out here. This holds, I think this holds 2,100 cups, and this holds 700 cups. So anyways, we got plenty of room. And then this one's a flood and drain as well. The pump just pumps the water up and does both of the both of the flood and drain deal. And you can see, we grow in pea gravel. The pea gravel is inexpensive, inert. We don't have to worry about any kind of nutrients coming from that or whatnot. And that's pretty much it. Take a shot that way, honey.